Software installation. To prepare the latest version of AMR software, go to www.webco.org website, and in the Software tab, Download section of the latest version of the Relay software, click on the Download option. After preparing the latest version of the software, you should install it on your system. Note that you don't need to uninstall the old version on the system to install the new version, and this will be done automatically by the new version. You can also manually uninstall the existing version through Control Panel, Programs, Programs and Features on your system, and then install the new version. Run the AMR.exe file to install the software. In the Opened page, to continue the installation process, click on Next option. In the next section, two Microsoft.NET Runtime 5 and Microsoft Windows Desktop Runtime 5 programs that are prerequisites for the software are displayed. These programs must be installed on the system before the original software is installed. If these programs are available on the system, you can prevent them from reinstalling by unticking them, otherwise they will be installed later. Click on the Next option. In the opened window, by clicking on the Install Microsoft.NET Runtime, the app is installed on the system. Click on Close after the installation is finished. Also, in the next open window, by clicking on Install the Microsoft Windows Desktop Runtime, the app is installed on the system. Click on Close after installation is finished. After completing the installation of the prerequisite programs, the installation of the main software begins. In the Setup Requires section, you can change the installation location of the software. Then tick I agree to the License Terms and Conditions option and click on Install. Note that installing the AMR software takes a few seconds. After the installation process is finished, the AMR has been successfully installed message is displayed. By clicking on the Finish option, the installation window is closed and a shortcut file named AMR is created on the desktop.